In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add support blockers in Bambu Studio. So the first thing that you want to do is to highlight your design, navigate through the subcategories, click support, and then you want to make sure that the enable support is checked. And then in my case, I'm going to be using the tree automatic right here. So it will automatically add supports where it's weakest. But if you also want to add some support blockers which will disable supports from a specific area, you can then navigate through the support painting option, and from here basically we have two functionalities inside this tab. We have the left click and the right click. If you press left click onto your design right here, it will then apply some supports onto that specific area. But if you want to apply some support blockers, you can simply press right click, and from there, of course, it will then apply the support blocker. So in that way, it won't add some supports onto this specific area that I've highlighted. Let's just click on the preview button. And as we can see right here, it will automatically apply some support, but it will completely avoid the area that we have highlighted or added the support blockers onto. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.